Yes, 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 yes. Another week, another week. My last video was done on Wednesday, so it's gonna be a quick little fast review. We'll get right down to the nitty gritty. But as usual, before we start, disclaimer, I am not no financial advisor. Please, I beg of you, do your own research into the financial markets before putting any real money into it. Any money you need, you do not want to put it into the financial market if you do not know what you are doing and if you do not understand the risk involved in this business. Money you put into this is money you don't need. Right? But if you didn't read that, pause the video, go and read it all. But take a look the little economic calendar. As we can see, Sunday no news, Monday no news, Wednesday no news. So yeah, I'm probably not even gonna touch the charts until Thursday after CPI, or maybe Wednesday might be the move, but I'll still be choppy then. But you know, I am the day trading machine, so I gotta touch the charts, like you know, heal and then. But yeah, news looks alright. Think big moves might be this day. Tuesday shall be the run up, and then Wednesday shall be the reversal down to Friday running back up. But yeah, um, I also wanted to touch on this subject a little. Like, bro, as a trader, you should not be focused on the money. You should not be focused on your wins because past performance does not guarantee future performance. That's what most people got misconstrued in these markets. They're like, oh, I made this money in the past. I said I made thousands of dollars in demo. Why am I not doing it in real life? Bro, are you following the same system you did in demo? Same exact to the tick? I guarantee most of y'all are not. Are y'all writing down your progress? Or y'all tracking your performance? Nah, most of y'all are just focused on the money. When you need to detach from money, focus on our results. Because what are the results? How you're trading did, how you did overall in trading. And if that's good, what would follow? The money. Oh my. Oh my. Nah, but yeah, I just wanted to touch on that real fast. Yeah, most people give up here because they're like, oh yeah, why am I not making all this money? My money, earn money, and then they don't want to give the time. They don't want to give the process enough time. They'll get all the way up here, see they're making progress, and then boom, they see someone else make 10 times as much as they did, and they're like, oh, I can do that too. Look, I made money in the past before. Then they try to do the same exact thing. Even ask the person their strategy, trade their strategy, and they're like, oh, he's making money with his strategy. Why can't I? Wah, 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 wah. Nah, trading is about finding yourself, knowing who you are within. And read this. Pain and suffering are caused by your lack of focus and your inability to detach from losing a trade or losing money. Feel me? Somebody feels me. And your work off the charts matters more than work on the charts. So finding yourself, being patient, finding that discipline. Cause if you're not disciplined in real life, how you gonna be disciplined on these charts? You get me? Or somebody get me? But did this shit on Wednesday. I don't even think I touched the Dixie, but Dixie looks like she about to fall off the face of the earth. Use the liquidity. Yeah, I feel like we getting below this liquidity as well. Especially since interest rates are dropping and everything else like that. So the dollar should be dropping more to drive the fear in humans up. And then they'll be running to Bitcoin and gold, which are safe haven. And we gonna talk about those and what they doing and what they gonna do. You gonna see. Best believe. Alright, but anyways, let's just get into this. This week, small moves up, and then see those moves back down to take this liquidity right here. That's about it. I feel like touching FX, but nah. Ain't nobody got time for no FX. But you can see what gold is. We are above these highs. And what are we doing right now? Just testing this fair rally gap, the daily. Is is you see this fair rally gap, daily time frame. What do we do? Tap into it. Nobody inside. Nothing. 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 Actually, like this, but their bodies in there. But I think this fair rally gap is on 4 hour, I believe. Yeah, this fair rally gap on the 4 hour. Nobody's even on the 4 hour. Also lines up with this breaker block. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, I was looking to buy stop this over this. Yeah, I might trade some demo tonight. See what tomorrow got for me, but yeah, that buy stuff might be nice. Cause it's almost 12. Yeah, let's do this. I'll get into quick little paper trading. Let's do even on paper. I don't want to risk that much. Just this move before K. Performance. I don't care about the money. That's why I got the ticks up. I always have the ticks up. Anyone in my group can vouch for this. Like, I've never talked about money. Never asked anybody about their money because that's not the main thing. That's not what gets you profitable. If I know how much you just made, or if it's like demo or real, how does that how's that gonna affect me? It's not like that's my money that you took from me. It's not like I can make that same money if I take that same exact trade right now when you're already out of the trade and it's doing whatever the fuck else it wants to do. You get me? But yeah, I'm not gonna make this whole thing about that, but I just don't like when people like come into trading and then they'll be like, so when do I make all this money? So, I see you just showed we made 10K. Is that real? Bro, it don't matter if it's real or not to you. It shouldn't matter if it's real or not to you. It should just be like, oh, okay. This is what's possible. Let me work on myself, discipline myself so I can see that as well. Not let me try to copy this person and make the same outcome. Past performance do not guarantee future performance. That's another thing. But yeah. We digressed. We gotta do this weekly review slash forecast. Give me a name. We digressed. Oh yeah. Cancel all this. I just looked at the daily. What the daily telling us? Daily could potentially tap into this inversion on the daily, which I would love to see. Look at this shit. Um, before we even do that, let me just do like Wednesday. Where we at Wednesday? Wednesday was like here. Just when I started recording, I said, "What are we on for gold? Gold come down here, sweep these lows, and fly higher." She came down here, swept those lows, flew higher. It's the trade I took right here. After we got all of those, and then there was a little head and shoulders, but I never really paid attention to none of those. And then -1 stopped. I'm gonna try more entries here. Got a few wins, a whole lot of -1s. You know what I'm saying? But yep, then stopped. After it fell through here, oh my goodness, why even enter anymore? I tried to look for any more in here, but it just looked like it wanted to fall off, and it did. Took me here. I think it was break even. Can't remember. I'm pretty sure both of these will break even because after this second break, this one will break even. This one just built up the strength over. It looked good on the uno minute. But yeah, gold. Said come down here, shoot up. What did we do? Came down here, swept more lows than I expected, even more lows than I expected. That yeah. Go back to my last video. I'm pretty sure I mentioned like these are not safe, but if it didn't do that, I'm happy to take buys. But yeah, we got down there and then we shot up. So now what I see on her is just we coming down to test this. That'll be about it. Look at that daily high open created the high. We know that's a high now. But what are we gonna do? Come down, create the low, and close somewhere here. And the next day is gonna open, create the low, shoot the fuck up. If she don't do that, she don't do that. She don't have to do what I say she gotta do. Something you gotta know. And know. Alright, for NASDAQ, I would like to see her take these lows before the booms to the tops. And on Wednesday, you can see what I said. We wanted higher prices to clear these liquidity, but she came for these, all these triple, you know what I'm saying? And then came lower. And I was like, oh, okay, keep. Shut up. Shut up again. Man. Thursday, finally created the move that I was looking for to take all these lows. And after we took all them lows, what did we do? Up, up, up. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Feel me? So what am I expecting now? A lower high to take it to the top to all the way here. Feel me? Just like here. Just flesh out. Low high, low high, low high. That's what we look for. Sure. But yeah, that's what I see for NQ. Uh, YM. You can see Wednesday. I said YM should be the only one to take those highs, but you know ES and NQ follow suit too. So we came up, took those highs. Could have took themselves down, but just man, choppiness, choppiness. I think there's also CPI. I can't remember. Then we took these, and then boom, boom, sold the fuck off. And after it took that low right there that I would wanted to see before even buying, waited Friday, took that nice long. You feel me? Let me get back. Alright, but what was I saying? What Thursday? Oh yeah, after we took that low, yeah, that's when I started to seek some buys. But it's like didn't really see this. Broke above, came back, test the breaker, and took off. Why didn't I see it? I don't know. But then boom. Friday morning session. I let the morning do what it's gonna do. Chop, 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 chop. Showed me the actual direction after taking this low right there. Feel me? Took it back up to damn highs. Plus 11? Like, shit, you done? Uh, this week, I would love to see the lows of last week get cleared, which will also, I think, line up with EQ. Let me see this. Yep, we line up with EQ that. Take on these other shits. Little pieces of shits. Okay, let me take kill this range. So yeah, and then drop down to the 1 hour. It's very, 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 very interesting. I feel like for beginning of the week, you're gonna see the lower, very low. Take these and then fly up. But yep, that's what I got for YM. ES, same shit. Not gonna spend too much time on her, but you know, let me drop a fib on her. So we just go through the top. What did we do? Did we even come down to here? Nope. Here's the liquidity. Here's the key level. Shoom. Buy off from there. RTY. Same shit, but I don't expect those lows to get cleared. We just might just. Oh, wait, yeah, I do now. Because last week we didn't. Okay. Some of that shit. Nice reset. Continue. And let's do yeah, this is GU if you trade Forex, but futures is called CBIT. No, M6B. M6B. I would expect it to come down to EQ before following suit to the top side. That's about it. Now there's the mini. um, Oil. Oil is kind of interesting. Since rates are dropping, I think we are gonna drop. But we might just drop to this and then fly up because of this shit. this to the tab. Take 50% of this to the tab. 3 key levels to play off of. This one is beautiful, lines up with this fair rally gap. I'm not going to do this. Is the 3 4 like this. See that falls through to the top. At least until here. Or the volume imbalance on the daily. Bitcoin. I mean, this is dominance, but this what tells us what the Bitcoin gonna do. Dominance still looks like she wants to reach up here. Look at the daily. She's been reaching up there. She's been reaching up there. I think Bitcoin is only go up because people are saying that it's going up. But the dominance looks like it wants to clear this high. At least tap the weekly. Was it weekly? Yeah, weekly fair value gap right there. And then like a strong wick. Strong wick. This week will be lovely. At first day just goes just spikes down the same day. That would be lovely. And that will set the catalyst for Bitcoin to start booming. So if you get that boom up to the top on the weekly, I think it will just be this boom down right here that I've been looking for. You know what I mean? And then follow suit from there. Yeah. Mm, yeah, did the dollar already. So yeah, that's it for today's this week's weekly review slash forecast. Um to everyone, good luck and good trading.